Hello, Julie here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be sharing this folio that I made, and I'm using this paper that I got in my design team kit for March from Kraft Supplies for You. I will put a link in the description box below to their two stores, but it's a Prima paper and it's called Lyrics. Now, the folio itself I created using or following a tutorial by Shellie Geigle. I think that's how you pronounce it, not sure. And the name of the album is For the Love of Winter Folio, and it's in two parts, and I'll put a link to both parts in the description box. So you can see at the top here, it sits nicely in the cover. And right, let's start here, the front. Well, the sides and the back are just covered with paper. Now, I've made a few changes to mine. It's a little bit different to Shellie's, but mostly follows along the same line. So we open this up. This has got magnets here so that it shuts nicely and stays shut. So we've got room for a photo here and a big photo area here. And this opens out like so, and we have a pocket here, and I've continued that pattern paper right the way through there, and a couple of tags. This is a nice big photo area. This one opens out that way again. And once again, we've got a pocket here where I've carried that pattern through. I've just stuck a couple of the cutter parts there. And then this opens out as well. And this is a little tuck spot. So we can put anything in behind there, photos or whatever, and you can put a photo on the front as well. There's also a little tuck spot down here. So anything can pop into that as well. And that can stay there. This is just a plain page for a large photo, and here we have a tuck spot in there where I have got a couple of little tags. This opens out like this, and we have a waterfall. That opens out like so. We know what waterfalls look like. And then this one also opens out with another waterfall here, same thing. And in here we have a large pocket with a handmade flower and just some tags and something from the cutter part sheet there. So they fit in there nicely. And this closes back up. I have got magnets in there to keep that closed. That closes over like that, and that closes over like that. Now this one here, photo here, that opens out that way, more photo space. And then that opens out that way as well. There's a pocket there. Photos. And then that one opens out with a side pocket as well. So there's a couple of pieces in there, and then this is just a little booklet here. This one here, it has got a tuck spot there. Then this opens out this way with a pocket, and this one opens out this way with a pocket as well, and a large area there for photos. I have forgotten to put pattern paper on those, but I will do that when I finish this video. So they close up like that, then that comes back on there like so, and then that all that comes back on top like that, and then this closes over, and there we have it, our nice compact little folio. Sits in there very nicely, and yes, very, very nice. So this folio is for sale. If you're interested, I will put my email address in the description box below, and you can email me for more details. Okay, well, thanks for watching my video, and don't forget, I've got links to both the tutorial for creating the folio and the links to the Kraft Supplies for You websites or shops. And also, while I'm talking to you, if you're not already a subscriber, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. So thank you for being here with me today, and I hope you'll join me when I post my next video. Bye.